Yeah, so straight piping is basically when you run a system with no mufflers in there.
Yep, so straight back. Yep.
Yeah, so we got that as an option on most of our kits.
Yep.
Primarily the turbo diesel stuff, because what the turbo does is it actually shuts out a lot of the noise. So they're nowhere near as loud as a naturally aspirated car. So like on your cruisers with the 4.2 non-turbo, your patrols, that kind of stuff, we don't really straight pipe them because they are pretty loud with no mufflers in there.
Yep.
So generally what we do on those, we run a muffler.
Yep.
It is all straight through with no restrictions or anything like that. So you're not losing any performance by putting a muffler in there. It purely comes down to the sound you're chasing.
Gotcha. So as a rule, turbo diesels can go straight pipe, maybe. Naturally aspirated, don't do it.
No.
Put a muffler in.
Absolutely.
Way to rock and roll. Now, with straight through pipes, what are we talking about in terms of sound difference, mate? The note that you're going to get.
Yeah, so it does make it a lot louder. If you're chasing sound, that's what you want to do. Yeah.
Right, okay.
Or the other option we've got actually is a little hot dog resonator.
I was going to ask, well, what's the go there?
Yeah, so that's basically just a smaller muffler. So it reduces the sound not as much as a full-size muffler.
Yep.
What we put a lot of them on is like your V8 cruisers, even your 4.2 patrols. It just kind of takes the edge off the note a bit, especially on the V8 cruisers. They got that real thong slap if you run a straight pipe. So you put the little resonator in there, hot dog we call it, because it literally looks like a hot dog.
Yep.
And that just sort of takes the edge off, just makes it a bit smoother sound.
Yep.
And they sound pretty good.
So you've got plenty of options.
Absolutely.
Sick.